Look at the baby budgies. Look at it. There's your good boys and girls. Oh yeah. You're a big boy. Look at you. Whoa. Getting a little scared. They all are. Had to clean out the little nest. Oh, you don't want to leave. I don't know which one's a boy and a girl yet. There's another one. Get your poo-poos. Get your poo-poos. Just an update on they're getting big. Put them back in there. Okay. Go back in there. Mama's getting a little upset. Whoa, 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 whoa. There. They're all about the same size. They're about 2-3 days apart. Maybe 4. Except for the one. Put him in there. Yep, I know. This one here. I don't want to hurt him. A little upset here. Oh, come on, dude. He's like, what the heck? This one that looks big right here, that's because he's about 3-4 days older than the rest of them. He or she. Oh, look at you. Why? Why you getting feathers on you? He's about 18 days old. And this one here, little peeper here, hasn't even got the eyes open. It's like a late, oh yeah, she got her eyes open. Or he or she. Late bloomer here. It's only about maybe 8 or 9 days old. Put them back in there. So that's them. The other one just looks so much bigger because he's a little bit older. Because you're saying, was it the other large bird or something? No, he's just a little bit older, he or she. The mama's over there. It's going to look like this bird here in the back. Right there. That's the mom. She's a little annoyed with me. And then the dad is not the other one, but the other one over here. Okay. So, there they are. Happy and healthy so far. Better shut this so the mom can go in here. Oh, here's that egg she was talking about. It's no good. It's all yellow and everything. It's been in there for like 3 weeks. It's definitely no good. But, so I'm probably going to toss it. And it's cold, so that definitely means it's trash. So, by the time your birds are this age, and if you have eggs still in there, nah, it's garbage. Okay, everybody. You want to update on the little birdies? There you go.